These are your 2.1 notes. So we are going to solve multi-step equations, and there's 3 steps to it. The first step is to distribute if there's anything to distribute. Step 2 is to combine like terms, and step 3 is to solve it. So let's begin. So there's no parentheses in number 1, so that means there's nothing we can distribute. So let's go into combining like terms. 9 minus 7, that is 2x. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. That equals negative 20. All right, there's nothing else I can put together on the left side and nothing to put together on the right side. So now it's time to start moving stuff. I'm going to add 4 to get that 4 to go away. Now I'm left with 2x equals negative 16. Divide by 2. X is negative 8. Let's look at the next one. We do have parentheses here, so first step is distribute. The 91 just comes down on the left side. Negative 7 times 3 is negative 21a. Negative 7 times negative 1 is a positive 7. I'm going to subtract my 7 on both sides. 91 minus 7. That is 84 equals negative 21a. Now I'm going to divide by negative 21 to get that moved over. 84 divided by negative 21 is a negative 4 equals a. Let's do the next one. All right, well, our first step is distribute, and there are things to distribute. 4m minus 15m minus 50 equals 126. I'm going to combine the like terms on the left side. 4 minus 15 is negative 11m minus 50 equals 126. I'm going to add 50 to both sides. Now I have negative 11m equals 176. Divide by negative 11. M equals negative 16. So we know how to do everything. It's just a matter of getting it all done. So first step is to distribute. Negative 3k plus 24 minus 1k minus 5 equals 23. Negative 3k, I'm going to combine my like terms, minus 1k is negative 4k. 24 minus 5 is plus 19. That equals 23. I'm going to subtract 19 from both sides. Time to get things moving. That would be negative 4k equals 4. Divide both sides by negative 4. K is negative 1. I would like you to try to do this one on your own. Remember, the first step is to distribute. Then you'll combine the like terms that are over here on the right. And then you'll start moving stuff back and forth. When you finish number 5, flip over to the next page. On the back page, I would like for you to do number 6 and number 7. Be sure to distribute, combine the like terms, and then start moving stuff around. Be sure to distribute that negative 1 in number 7. When you are finished with all of that, you need to turn it in and show it to me. And you need to do IXL J5. Thank you.